Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing a deep dive into the world of advanced networking with the Peplink Balance 20X router. This isn't just an unboxing, it's an exploration of what sets this router apart. Before we start, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more unboxing videos. The first thing you'll see when you open the box is the quick start guide, which is always handy. But let's get to the main event, the Balance 20X itself. So here it is, the Peplink Balance 20X. This one is designed for more demanding networks, offering features you might not find in other models like the Balance One or Surf Soho. Down here in the second layer of the box, we have some interesting components. There's a GPS antenna, which isn't a common find in standard router packages. It's perfect for those on the move, offering real-time tracking and geofencing capabilities. Here's the 2-volt 3-amp power adapter. Important to note, the Balance 20X is quite power efficient despite its high performance, making it a smart choice for continuous use. These are the Wi-Fi and cellular antennas, each carefully packed. They're here to enhance both the range and quality of your network's wireless and cellular signals. And lastly, a Velcro strap to keep your cables tidy and organized. Looking at the router's design, on the back of the Balance 20X, you'll find a WAN port, 4 LAN ports, and slots for the Wi-Fi antennas. You'll also see the power cable slot, the GPS antenna port, and a flex module expansion slot. Turning it around, there's the cellular slots, a reset button, LED indicators for quick status checks, and a USB port. The bottom houses the device label and the SIM slot, along with mounting holes for wall attachment. What really makes the Balance 20X stand out is its modular flex module mini slot. This lets you customize the router with additional WAN interfaces such as DSL, LTE cellular, or a 5G module, giving it a leg up over many other routers, including some within its own range. Internally, the router boasts a quad-core ARM Cortex-A7 processor with speeds up to 1.3 GHz, ensuring fast data processing and smooth network management. It also supports SpeedFusion technology for bandwidth bonding, combining multiple connections like DSL, cable, and cellular into one robust link. The low-cost entry point into this device gives your business or home office a significant network boost with the ability to expand as your needs grow. This device is designed with future-proofing in mind. Out of the box, you get a powerful Cat7 LTE modem that supports 300 Mbps download and 150 Mbps upload, as well as a 1 Gbps throughput. As your internet needs evolve, so does this unit. Upgrade at any time with up to 2 additional connections. One will connect via the expansion port, and for the other connection, you can attach a 5G USB modem. So who's it for? Well, the Balance 20X is perfect for home offices managing multiple internet connections and small to medium businesses. Given that this product can grow with your needs, you can upgrade it as your demand grows. While not originally meant for this, the new 8.3 firmware has made it perfect for mobile environments like buses, RVs, or boats, where the GPS and cellular capabilities are invaluable. And for remote workers, the dependable and flexible connectivity is a game changer, ensuring you're always online when you need to be. So that's our first look at the Peplink Balance 20X. It's a router that blends power, flexibility, and reliability. What do you think about its features and capabilities? Would this fit into your network setup? Let us know in the comments below. For more in-depth looks at the latest in tech, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon.